Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you what is the best way to make money with Clickbank in 2019. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build passive income online. So there are different ways with which you can make money with Clickbank, and today I'll be telling you a newest way which no one is teaching you about how to make money with Clickbank. It's a very unique way, so without a further ado, let me get started. And please make sure that you watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss any of my steps. So the very first thing which you have to do, you need to sign into Clickbank. You need to create your account. If you don't know how to create your account, there's a video which I've done that will show you how to create your account on Clickbank. And once you have created your account in Clickbank, come into Marketplace and you will come to this particular page. And on the left hand side you will see different categories. These categories have got different products. These are info products and some are physical products. So we are going to concentrate on info product, and you can pick up any product of your choice for this particular strategy. So for this video purpose, I'm going to pick up health and fitness as my niche, and let's pick up something on nutrition. So these are different products under nutrition, and these are the average sale for this particular product which you're going to get as a commission if someone buys this product through your link. Now the idea here is that we are going to leverage the existing articles which are there, and we're going to convert them into PDF and upload them onto a website to get traffic. How we are going to do it, I'll show you. So remember, we have chosen the niche as nutrition. Now we will go to a website called eZine Articles. So this is the website. Click on eZinearticles.com, and this website has got different articles based on number of topics. As you can see, there are different categories and they have got number of articles which we can use. So our niche was nutrition, so we're gonna search for articles in the nutrition, and you can see it has got like 100,000 results based on nutrition. So let's see, for example, we're gonna pick up this one, nutritional supplements, should I take them? So I'm just giving you an example as to how this strategy works. So you need to do your own research about picking up the right product and which article you have to pick up. So this is the article which is here. Now what we have to do is we need to copy this article. So let's copy it. Make sure that you choose the article source, as that is very important. And we have to put the article source as well. And now we will copy this article in a Word document. So let me just open one new Google blank document in Google. Now we will just paste that article over here. Okay, so now we have got the article. We need to make sure that the formatting is done correctly. So make sure that you've got the right formatting. And after you have done the right formatting, just make sure that all the paragraphs are divided, the headlines are bold, you can choose different colors. And at the end of the article, we're gonna put the link to the product which we are going to promote. So let's say we are promoting this oxidized cholesterol strategy. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna copy the link to it, and this is the link. And we will check out the affiliate page for any other helpful material which we get, like pictures. So these are all the promotional material for this particular product. So let's see. It's asking to register. Anyways, the idea here is we're gonna put a picture of the product, and we're gonna link that article that okay, get the best product. I'm just typing it for this video purpose only, and we're gonna put the link. We're gonna put the link something like this, so that once people are gonna click this link, they will come to the sales page of this product. And now once you have your article ready, formatted in MS Word, then you have to convert it into a PDF. You can do it through any software. You can just type in Google convert Word to PDF. There are so many softwares which gonna come up. You can also use Open Office software, so you can use any of the link over here and convert this Word document into a PDF. And after you have converted into a PDF, then you need to go to a website called slideshare.net. It's the one. And over here you need to sign up and create your account and upload that PDF file. Why we are uploading it over here? Because look at the number of views these articles, these presentations are getting. This is one of the best websites, if people are searching for any helpful presentation or a document on any particular topic. It doesn't matter which niche. So we will upload our document on this website, and once people gonna find it, they're gonna read your article, and they will ultimately click onto your link, and once they make a purchase, you're going to get the commission. So this is the method, guys, which no one is teaching right now about Clickbank, and this is one of the unique way to promote any product as an affiliate. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a free course in the description down below. You can check it out. And if you have any questions about affiliate marketing or any question about this particular strategy, you can let me know in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on email, on Facebook, or all my social media links are in the description below, and I will help you out. And don't worry, I'm not going to ask you any money for my help. So just feel free to reach out to me for any questions. And that is all for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.